Hey guys, Alex here from Sea Eagle Boats, and today I want to show you how to wash and do maintenance on your Sea Eagle kayak or boat. One thing great about your Sea Eagle is that it really doesn't require much maintenance other than a quick rinse down after every time you use it, especially in salt water. But after a few weeks of using it in salt water, you're going to want to give it a full scrub down and maintain some of those parts that might get corroded if a lot of salt builds up on it. So yeah, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to wash your boat and do all the maintenance on it really quick. To get started, there's a few items that I highly recommend using on your Sea Eagle. So to start, you're going to want a drying rag to dry off the boat once you're done washing it. You're going to want a regular rag. This will be used for some of this lubricant. Then I say this in all my videos, the 303 aerospace protectant that you can find directly on our website, I'll put the link below. It's great for extending the life of your kayak and just making it look amazing every single time you're out on the water. So I highly recommend this after you're done washing. I'll show you how to apply it. And then from there, on all the mechanical parts, I recommend this Snap Zipper Lube. And this is a Starbright. You can get it from Amazon, Walmart, Target, bunch of places. And it's just amazing for lubricating the mechanical parts on your kayak or your boat. And it's water resistant, so it's going to last. So these are the main items I recommend. And then obviously you'll need a bucket of soapy water. With the bucket of soapy water, I use just basic car soap, but without wax in it. You can use a boat soap or just a regular soap. That's basically for getting all the sand and salt spots off the boat. So yeah, that's what I recommend to start. I start by rinsing down the kayak. Rinsing down the kayak helps clear out any salt and sand left over from your paddle. After my initial rinse, I give the boat a full scrub down, and I make sure I get all those mechanical parts and anywhere salt could be building up. After I completely scrub down the entire kayak, I rinse off all that soapy water and then wipe the whole boat dry. If you can't get the inside of your kayak completely dry with a rag, you can tip it up at an angle and let the water drain out the drain holes. If that still doesn't work, you can flip the kayak completely over, put it at an angle, and the water will run right out. Now that the kayak's all dry, let's apply the 303 aerospace protectant. You're going to see after this is done, the kayak's going to be shining and looking good. I recommend doing this every 6 weeks or so, especially if you're using in the sun and salt water. It's going to keep your kayak looking brand new. So the way to do this, you just spray it onto a rag, a little bit on the boat, and you wipe it in, and it's all done. Wow, she's looking like a freshly waxed car and brand new straight out of the box. You can see, I mean, she's really shining. And yeah, now it's protected from the sun, which especially down here in Florida, using them the salt water, you want to protect it from the sun. The last thing we got to do is apply our snap and zipper lube to all the mechanical parts on the kayak. So that's going to be like these metal rods right here. It's going to help these to be pulled in and out easier. And then the snaps for the seat. So if you're at all like me and use your kayak a lot in salt water and don't always rinse it off after you're done using it, you're going to want to apply this stuff. It's going to help the clips on the kayak seat to stay working properly. So yeah, like I said, that salt water over time builds up on especially the metals and the mechanical parts. So that's what you want to focus on. You want to clean those off as best as you can. And once they're done and clean, you want to apply that lube and get them functioning properly. The snap and zipper lube is similar to a marine grease, and it's water resistant, so it'll last a long time. Unlike WD-40, which after a short while, it gets washed away and it's no longer functioning. So this is like a marine grease and it works great for a long while. The last thing we want to grease up is the rods for the foot braces. And once we do that, they'll slide in easily every single time. Well guys, there you have it. My kayak's well protected and it's looking brand new. If you have any other questions, leave a comment below. I'm happy to give you some more tips and tricks on how to maintain your kayak and keep it looking as good looking as my kayak. So yeah, like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching.